It's Rico! What is up, my family? I'm super excited right about now. What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. So we have all Jamaican snacks, cheese tricks, Bigfoot, cheese crunches, sweet plantain chips, Ovaltine Biscuit, ginger beer, supple gen, peanut punch, Shirley Biscuit, peanut cake, and tamarind balls. Caribbean snacks, mostly Jamaican snacks, but I'll also represent Trinidad and I'll represent the Bajan posse. But everything else, all Jamaican goodness. So I grew up on these things going to school and they used to rock my world, and for most of these things I haven't had for over 10 years. Like this was an all-time favorite. That's the number one energy drink. Once you're making a punch, strong back, any type of punch, Supragen is like the base. Peanut punch, that's another number one. Alright, well let's start. Sweet plantain chips. There's many different types, but this one is Grace. That. I can tell you already I like this. Darn delicious. It's just plantain chip. And it's ripe plantain, so it's super sweet. I could go on and on with the plantain chips because obviously by now if you watch my videos you'll know I love plantains. This is ripe plantain chip. This one I probably had recently. Yeah, I have plantain chips quite often. This one is Ovaltine Biscuit. Ovaltine Biscuit. Let's try it out. I still love it. So representing the Bajan posse. So this is Shirley Biscuit. It's not really Jamaican, it's Caribbean. This is made in Barbados. And this was a number one for me because it's coconut flavor and I love coconut. So it's just a biscuit, but this one is coconut flavored biscuit. Okay, so I still love Shirley Biscuit. Shirley, wherever you are, I still love your biscuit. This is awesome. So, peanut drops or peanut cake. So if you love peanut, and you love sugar, again, it's the sugar bring to a boil and you had the peanut into it and it's all caramelized. Am I saying that word right? Caramelized. Tamarind balls. So if you know tamarind, I know my friends in Asia, they got tamarind there. If you're in the Caribbean or Asian countries, probably Central America also, don't quote me on that. So tamarind is a fruit that grows in a pod and it's sweet succulent thing. So they take these pieces out. I put it in the hands and rub it. Add sugar and rub it and form a ball. And that's how you get your tamarind ball. So it has the sweetness from the sugar and the tanginess from the tamarind. So I still love this. Peanut punch. So it's like a milk-based drink with peanut flavor. All right, let's take a sip of our peanut punch. Just like I remember it. Still awesome. So milk-based, peanut flavor, and this is your peanut punch. When I was going to school, that's when it became popular. It was known before, but it wasn't that popular until a DJ, I remember distinctly, made a song about this product. I think the song goes like this. Man, I drink bag juice from base. Strictly peanut punch fit. I can't say the rest of it, but that's when it became popular and all the guys gravitated towards the peanut punch because they said, no, this thing gives the guys, make them macho, strengthen your back, and you know the rest. So peanut punch, still a favorite. Big up the Trini posse, not leaving out the Trini posse. So Trinidad and Tobago in the house, representing. This is the Bigfoot. And obviously, it's in the shape of that Bigfoot, that famous character, Bigfoot. There it is. Where it has a crunch. It's just light and crunchy and tasty. It's a bit salty. And this one is a bit spicy. Take another bite. You got a cheesiness, a cheese flavor and a little salt. And this one, oh yeah, for sure it said spicy right there. Spicy. We represented the Barbados posse. Barbados crew, big up yourself. Bajan in the house, yeah? And we represented the Trinidad posse. Trini in the house, big up yourself. Back to Jamaica now. Cheese crunches. Alright, so this is just another fun cracker. Very small. Yellow. That yellow salty cracker. And it's a cheese flavor. You can tell that by the name. Cheese. It got that cheesy flavor, a little saltiness, and it got that crunch. That's why it's called cheese crunches. They call this one Tigers, but it's cheese tricks. This is gonna be similar to the Bigfoot, but it's called Tigers, so it's like a tiger paws. See that? Supplegen, and this is a famous Jamaican drink. It's like a milk base. It's somewhat similar to a peanut punch, which is also milk base, but this is milk base and this is the original flavor, which is usually a sort of vanilla sort of flavor. So let's try out the Supplegen. And Supplegen is also a main ingredient when you're making punch. Every household would use Supplegen and Guinness Stout, Supplegen and Dragon Stout. If you remember those things, leave a comment below. So every Saturday night, my grandma would make these. Take it from the shop and we'll have punch, Supplegen and Guinness, you know, to give you that strength. So let's try out the Supplegen now. Pour some Supergen in my Arabic mug. Nice Arabic mug here. Not too much Supergen. Cheers, cheers. Darn delicious. So I still love my Supergen. That was awesome. And this here is ginger beer. So for all you guys who drink beer, this is not alcohol. I don't know why they call it beer. It's just a carbonated beverage, or it's a ginger flavored carbonated beverage, or soda or pop, depending if you live north or south, soda or pop. So that's your ginger beer. I probably have that tomorrow because I don't want to mix the milky Supergen and peanut punch with that carbonated ginger beer. I would say this is to die for. Your Plantain Chips. Your many different brands. The Grace. This is Grace. There's St. Mary. There's Soul Danza. And St. Mary banana chips. So banana or plantain chips. All similar. But I usually go for the right plantain chips like this one here. So I still love this. The Bigfoot. I like the spice of the Bigfoot. I like that flavor. Shirley Biscuit. Absolutely. The coconut flavor. I still love Shirley Biscuit. So Shirley, wherever you are, I love your biscuits. Please send some biscuits for me. One more surprise for you. Hold on. This is called the Jamaican Top Crackers. I'm not sure if Top Crackers and Water Crackers is the same thing, but we're gonna call it Top Crackers. Alright, so here's the Top Crackers. And it's literally tough. Like that. Okay guys, so that's it for Jamaican snacks. Let me know if you have tried these before and let me know which is your favorite. And if you're not Jamaican and you haven't tried these, let me know what was your favorite snack when you were growing up, or even your favorite snack right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. On this it says water crackers. But in Jamaica we just say tough crackers.